5 gourmet campfire recipes that will make you forget you're in the wild. Imagine this. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. The crackle of the campfire sets the soundtrack for the evening as stars begin to twinkle overhead. You're in the heart of the wilderness, but the aroma wafting from your campfire is something you'd expect from a gourmet kitchen. This is not your typical campfire fare. This is an Epicurean adventure, a culinary journey that transforms the great outdoors into a 5-star dining experience. Ready to tantalize your taste buds? Let's dive into 5 gourmet campfire recipes that will make you forget you're miles away from the nearest restaurant. 1. Campfire Cioppino. A seafood symphony. Forget the hot dogs and marshmallows. We're diving deep into the ocean's bounty with a rustic yet refined campfire cioppino. This hearty seafood stew, brimming with fresh shrimp, clams, and whatever catch you can lay your hands on, simmers in a tomato and wine broth infused with a medley of herbs. Serve with a side of crusty, fire-toasted bread to soak up the flavorful broth, and you've got a campfire feast that's both comforting and elegant. Ingredients: fresh seafood mix, shrimp, clams, fish fillets. Canned tomatoes, white wine, onion, garlic, bell peppers, a mix of herbs, basil, oregano, thyme, salt and pepper to taste. 2. Wild mushroom and thyme risotto. A creamy dream. Who says you can't enjoy the creamy indulgence of risotto in the wild? With a portable camping stove or a steady campfire, you can whip up a wild mushroom and thyme risotto that's as creamy and comforting as any high-end eatery's offering. Foraged wild mushrooms add a touch of wilderness while fresh thyme brings in a burst of flavor, creating a dish that's both sophisticated and soul-warming. Ingredients: arborio rice, wild mushrooms, foraged or brought from home, chicken or vegetable broth, white wine, fresh thyme, Parmesan cheese, onion and garlic. 3. Grilled balsamic glazed salmon. A sizzling sensation. Elevate your campfire grilling with a dish that's simple yet sophisticated. Grilled balsamic glazed salmon features the rich, oily goodness of salmon fillets, glazed with a sweet and tangy balsamic reduction, and grilled to perfection over open flames. The result? A sizzling, smoky, and succulent dish that pairs wonderfully with a side of grilled asparagus or a fresh, zesty salad. Ingredients: salmon fillets, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar or honey, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste optional, asparagus spears for grilling. 4. Dutch oven ratatouille, a vegetarian delight. Transport your campsite to the heart of Provence with a Dutch oven ratatouille, a vibrant and aromatic stew that celebrates the bounty of the garden. Eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes slowly stewed in a rich tomato sauce, seasoned with herbes de Provence, create a dish that's bursting with flavor and color. It's a vegetarian delight that even the most devout carnivores will adore. Ingredients: eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, canned tomato sauce, onion and garlic, herbes de Provence, or a mix of thyme, rosemary, and oregano, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. 5. Decadent chocolate and cherry Dutch oven brownies. A sweet finale. End your gourmet campfire meal on a sweet note with decadent chocolate and cherry Dutch oven brownies. This indulgent dessert combines the rich, fudgy goodness of brownies with the tart sweetness of cherries, all baked to perfection in a Dutch oven nestled in the embers of your campfire. The result is a gooey, chocolatey treat that's the perfect finale to your wilderness feast. Ingredients: brownie mix, plus required ingredients, e.g., oil, eggs, fresh or canned cherries optional, nuts or chocolate chips for added indulgence. Each of these gourmet campfire recipes is designed to add a touch of luxury to your outdoor adventures, proving that dining in the wild doesn't mean compromising on taste or sophistication. So next time you set out into the great outdoors, remember that with a little creativity and some culinary flair, you can turn your campfire into the best seat at a gourmet restaurant, with the great wilderness as your backdrop. Bon appétit, adventurers!